Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI voice assistant in GoHighLevel. And the best part is that you don't need to write any code. An AI voice assistant can handle calls, answer customer questions, and even schedule appointments. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. You'll learn how to set it up and how to make it work just the way you want. But before we dive into the details, I have a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth $900 plus, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. An AI voice assistant is like a smart helper that uses advanced technology to understand and respond to what people say. It's powered by natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning, which means it can have real conversations instead of just relying on pre-recorded messages or fixed options. On top of that, AI keeps getting better the more it's used. It's learned from every interaction and adapts to offer smarter responses over time. When you create your own AI voice assistant using GoHighLevel, you're in charge. You can design it to match your brand and focus on exactly what your business needs, whether it's booking appointments, answering common questions, or passing calls to a real person when needed. You get to control every detail. Even better, GoHighLevel connects with all your other business tools. Your AI assistant can work alongside email marketing, SMS automation, and CRM features. It's a powerful way to streamline tasks and keep everything running smoothly in one place. Now that you know what an AI voice assistant is and how it can help your business, let's get into how you can set up your own AI voice assistant with GoHighLevel. You don't need to write any code, so it's super simple. First, log into your GoHighLevel agency account and head to the sub account for the business you want to work on. Once you're in the right sub account, look at the bottom of the left menu and click on Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, find the Voice AI Agent option. This is where you can create and manage your voice assistant. Click on it and you'll see a page showing any voice assistants you've already set up, along with an option to create a new one. Then, to create a new voice assistant, hit the Create Agent button at the top right of the screen. This will take you through the steps to build one from scratch. At this point, you're in the first step of setting up your AI voice assistant. You need to fill out the agent details. The system will ask you to give your new voice assistant a name. This name is just for you to use, so pick something that helps you remember what it's for. For example, you could make it something like Jeremy, virtual assistant. Next, you'll need to type in the business name. This is the name your assistant will use when talking to callers, so make sure it matches your brand. For example, you could use Jeremy's Plumbing Services if your business is in the plumbing industry. Following the business name, you'll need to pick the language for the AI voice assistant. While there are several languages available, English is usually the best choice unless the business serves a multilingual audience. The next step is the voice option, where you can choose the personality and tone of the assistant. GoHighLevel offers a range of pre-configured AI voices with different accents and tones. You can listen to sample clips for each one and choose the one that fits the business's brand. Once you've picked your voice, go ahead and adjust the time zone setting to match the business location. Next, the system will ask you to set the types of calls the assistant will handle. Most of the time, you'll choose inbound calls, since this AI voice assistant is built to handle incoming customer interactions. While outbound calls might become available in the future updates, for now, the main focus is managing inbound calls. One of the most important steps in the setup is filling out the agent's initial message. This is the first thing callers hear when they connect with your AI voice assistant. It needs to be friendly, clear, and helpful. For example, if you're setting it up for your plumbing service, you could use a greeting like, "Hello, thanks for calling. How can we help you today?" This sets a professional tone and lets callers know what to expect. After you've filled in all the required details, click the next button to move on to the next part of the setup. The next step is about setting the goals for your AI voice assistant. This is where you decide what tasks it will handle and how it should respond. You'll also shape how conversations will flow so the assistant gets all the important details from callers. First off, you'll set up the information that your voice agent will collect during each call. This could include things like the caller's name, email, and address, etc. In addition to collecting basic contact details, think about adding a call summary feature. This feature lets you record a quick note about the conversation, which is super helpful if the customer calls again or if a team member wants to check past interactions. For example, if someone calls to ask about booking a tour of the co-working space, the assistant can note their preferences and any specific questions they had during the call. This call summary gets linked to the customer's record, so the next time they call or come in person, everyone is on the same page and can give them a personalized experience. Plus, you can set up workflows that automatically take action after a call ends. When you turn this feature on, the system can handle follow-up tasks for you. For example, if a caller schedules an appointment with your AI voice assistant, the system can send them a confirmation email or text. Alternatively, if the inquiry seems urgent, the system can trigger an alert for a live representative to step in right away. These automated workflows help make sure every lead gets the attention they need, so no one is left waiting. Additionally, you can set up email notifications for every completed call. By default, GoHighLevel might send these notifications to account administrators, but you can adjust this to fit the business. You could send updates to a specific sales rep or even the entire support team, depending on how follow-ups are handled. You can also add custom email addresses to make sure the right people get important information as soon as a call ends. Once you've filled out all the fields correctly, just click Next to go to the next step. The final step to set up your AI voice assistant is to configure the phone and availability settings. This step is super important because it helps fit the assistant into your business's communication system. First, you need to assign a phone number to your assistant. If the business already has a number set aside for this, you can choose it from a drop-down menu in the phone number field. But if there isn't one, you can click Buy New Number to get a dedicated line for the assistant. The number will be the main contact for all calls handled by your AI assistant. Next, you'll see an option to enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number. This is really helpful if the business already has a live receptionist answering calls. When you turn this on, the AI assistant will step in automatically if the live agent isn't available or doesn't answer a call within a set time. This feature makes sure no call is missed, no matter what the staffing situation is like. It's especially useful during busy times when calls could easily go unanswered. Another important part of this step is setting the working hours for your AI voice assistant. While it might be set to run 24/7 by default, it's usually better to match its availability with your business hours. For example, if your business is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can adjust the assistant's hours to match that schedule. By doing this, the assistant will only handle calls during times when follow-up support is actually available. This makes the customer experience smoother and avoids any confusion or missed promises during off hours. After you've assigned a phone number and set the working hours, the next thing to do is save all your settings. Make sure to double check everything, like the agent's greeting, data collection settings, automated workflows, and phone integration. Take a moment to review it all and confirm it's set up correctly. When you're sure everything meets your business needs, click the Save button. This will lock in your setup and activate your AI voice assistant. Now your system is ready to take calls, collect customer details, trigger workflows, and help streamline your business communications in a smart way. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you learn how to create your own AI voice assistant in GoHighLevel without any coding. If you want to try GoHighLevel, click the link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you'll gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. On top of that, you'll receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses.